Hello neighbors, it's Brad here at eTrailer, and today we're taking a look at the Furrion Chill HE Replacement AC Unit. Now this is going to be available in quite a few different configurations to perfectly match what you need. And the first thing, ours is white. You can also get it in black. So whichever way you want to match to your RV, you can go ahead and do that. You can also pick up the AC unit with an air distribution box. There's actually two different styles you can pick from. You can also get a thermostat, and also you can pick it up with a cable to plug in directly to the main unit from your previous AC unit. This is going to be a great replacement for an AC unit that you already have, and it's going to work with a few different types of distribution boxes, include Advent, Coleman, as well as Dometic. Now we did find that we had to use a separate distribution box specifically for this HE unit, but it does drop in nice and easy. The HE in the name stands for high efficiency, so this is going to cool nice and efficiently. It can be used with a ducted or a ductless system. The high efficiency is accomplished by having dual motors, and that's going to get our 13,500 BTU capacity, chilling this down nice and quick. Now sometimes when you're at a campsite or using a generator, it doesn't have enough power to get that AC started. Well, this has a startup capacitor already in there that's going to store that power, allowing you to get that AC rolling. It also has rubber isolators, which when it comes to any moving parts, trying to get that to not vibrate or create noise can be a problem, but the fact that these are built in, it's going to make it a nice quiet unit that's really going to get that efficiency going. Now living on top of the RV, it's going to see a lot of sunlight, and this is going to be UV resistant. Our cover is also going to protect it from any water or debris getting in there. It's also got a nice foam that sits on the bottom, and as you crank that down, it's going to be a chemical water resistant foam. It's going to create a nice seal, making sure that your AC unit is going to be leaking water in even when those heavy rains come down. It also has built-in thermal insulation, and that's just going to make it run more efficient, but also keep that motor from running too much and burning itself up. So that's just going to help maintain that temperature and not overwork the unit. And for those of you that really like stats and numbers, let's break this down a little bit. So this has a power draw of 11.2 amps. As I mentioned before, it's 13,500 BTU per hour, which is pretty solid. Now, as far as sound goes, this one is pretty quiet. It's coming in at 80 decibels, so it's not too, you can definitely have a normal conversation, no problem. And overall, it's pretty quiet. Now, as far as your electrical rating, you are going to want 115 volts at 60 hertz. Now, the one we have here is prepped for a Coleman setup. So if you have a Coleman unit, it makes it nice and plug and play, but that's not to say that's not available for what you may have in your RV. So check to make sure that you're picking the one that plugs and plays right with your camper. And that was a look at the Furrion Chill HE Replacement AC Unit.